Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a filtered deck in Anki that can exclude few decks. For example, I want to study all of these decks except this one at once. So I will go to tools and I will go to create filtered deck. In your Android app also you can get this filtered deck option. Then I will write minus deck deck colon then this then the name of the deck that I want to exclude then build. Okay, so you can also play with some of these options, but I will stick to the video topic and I will click on build. So this is the new filter deck that is created, and this exclude the deck that I don't want to study now. Okay, so these are all the decks that I want to study. So this is the way you can create a filter deck excluding a single deck or any other decks. Okay, bye bye for now. Tata, take care.